The theme for today's World Malaria Day is Malaria Ends With Us. Reinvest, Reimagine, Reignite. World Malaria Day was established on May 2007 by the 60th session of the World Health Assembly, WHO decision-making body. It is an occasion to highlight the need for continued investment and sustained commitments for malaria prevention and control. World Malaria Day presents an opportunity to engage civil society, private sector, community leaders, academic institutions, and general public to work for elimination of malaria. In Goa, our ABER, annual blood examination rate, is 25.21 in 2024, which is much higher than the center guideline, which is at least 10. This indicates the amount of surveillance undertaken in Goa. Our API, which has come down from 0.001 in 2022 to 0 in 2023 and sustained also in 2024, and no deaths since 2018. There is a gradual reduction in malaria cases from 1,187 in 2011 to 0 in 2004. But still we detect imported cases, asymptomatic cases due to high influx of workers from states and highly endemic states. Goa is targeting malaria elimination by 2025-26 as API at a state as well as district level is less than 1 as per Government of India guidelines. Actually, we have achieved 0 indigenous cases. From the year 2023, all 34 peripheral health centers have achieved 0 indigenous transmission for malaria till the sub-center level. Hence, Goa is on the right track toward achieving malaria elimination as stratification done till sub-center village level. Malaria in Goa is a migrant malaria, depends on the influx. The cases occur whenever any big infrastructure project comes up in that area.
It is very heartening to know that we are heading for the malaria elimination phase 2025-26. It is the effort of our health staff, the line departments, the community itself, okay, and everybody to bring this effort.
Because of your hard work and continuous hard work, and also we need to maintain the 0 indigenous cases in order to get a certificate, as well as after certification also we need to maintain the 0 indigenous cases.
Malaria is actually a very dreadful disease. जरी आमकां दिसलें की आमी हे करू शकले, vector-borne diseases are always on control now. So मागीर डेंग्यू आसूं, मलेरिया आसूं, ह्या सगळ्यांचेर आमी आतां बरो कंट्रोल हाडिल्लो आसा. आतां वेगळेच डिसीजीस फुडें येवपाक लागल्या, which are non-communicable diseases. पण एक गोष्ट बरी आसा की गोवा being a very small state आणि people being literate, आमकां एक बरें वरदान आसा हें की हातून भितर आमी हें काम करू शकता.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.